I am Dr. Mahendra Motilal Dhongdi, Professor and Head of Mechanical Engineering Department, Berries Institute of Technology, Mangalore. Today I am going to discuss about the viscosity. Viscosity, it is a property of fluid which offers resistance to flow. It is due to cohesive force and adhesive force. It is important to understand viscosity is due to cohesive force and adhesive force. So we have to understand what is cohesive force and what is adhesive force. Say here it is a solid surface and fluid is flowing over that. It is all fluid here, fluid. Right? It is flowing over the solid surface. It is velocity profile plot. Right? When fluid is flowing over the solid surface, there is a force of attraction between the solid molecules and the liquid molecules. Right? This sort of attraction of forces, or it is a adhesive force, is a force of attraction between different molecules here, solid molecules and liquid molecules. These are the different molecules. Attraction between this kind of different molecules is called as adhesive force. Whereas fluid is flowing, right? When fluid is flowing, there is a attraction of fluid molecules itself. That attractive force between similar kind of molecules is called as cohesive force, right? Viscosity is a property of fluid. It is due to cohesive force and adhesive force. Cohesive force is a force of attraction between the similar molecules, whereas adhesive force is a force of attraction between the different kind of molecules. And viscosity is defined by Newton's law of viscosity. It says that shear stress is directly proportional to shear strain, right? And constant of proportionality is called as viscosity or dynamic viscosity. It is also called as coefficient of viscosity. Now I want to discuss about the units of viscosity, right? Unit of viscosity. In CGS unit system, viscosity is defined in terms of centipoise or poise. 1 centipoise is equal to 1 divided by 100 poise. Whereas in MKS and SI unit system, it is defined in terms of Newton per meter square. Right? 10 poise is equal to 1 Newton per meter square. It is a unit of viscosity. Right? Next, I wanted to discuss about the kinematic viscosity. There are two types of viscosity. One is just viscosity, which is also called as dynamic viscosity and coefficient of viscosity. Next one is the kinematic viscosity. Kinematic viscosity is the ratio of viscosity to the density of fluid. As unit of kinematic viscosity is concerned, right, in CGS it is defined in terms of centistoke or stoke. 1 centistoke is equal to 1 divided by 100 stoke. Whereas in MKS unit, right, it is defined in terms of meter square per second. Right? 10 to the power 4 stoke is equal to 1 meter square per second. It is all about the units of viscosity as well kinematic viscosity. Now I want to discuss viscosity of fluid with temperature. There is a relation between viscosity and temperature, right? And this relation is not same in the case of liquids and gases. It is entirely opposite. Right? First, I like to highlight. I want to discuss the viscosity of liquid with temperature. Liquids, right? Viscosity of liquids with temperature. In this case, viscosity is inversely proportional to the temperature. For the liquids, viscosity is inversely proportional to the temperature. If temperature reduces, viscosity will increase. It is a mathematical equation. Mu is equal to mu naught divided by 1 plus alpha t plus beta t square. And values of mu is nothing but viscosity of liquid at T degree centigrade, whereas mu naught is viscosity of liquid at 0 degree centigrade. That values are given, right? and these are the constants. Understand? It is for liquids. This relation is for liquids. Next, viscosity of gases with temperature. In this case, viscosity is directly proportional to the temperature. If you increase the temperature, viscosity will increases, right? And again, it's a mathematical equation. I hope you understood this.